It was a day of dueling news conferences in Connecticut politics. Governor Lamont and then the state's leading Republicans, I should say, both trading barbs.
Yeah, the governor sounding the alarm over federal cuts to the state's Department of Public Health. The Republicans at the Capitol were ripping into the governor. News 8 political reporter Mike Cerulli is live now at the state Capitol with more. Mike?
Yeah, good evening to you, Dennis. This day began with news from the governor that Connecticut would be losing about $150 million worth of federal grant money for public health. Now, the state's Department of Public Health said that federal pullback would impact things like disease outbreak monitoring, newborn health screenings, and child vaccination efforts. And at the exact same time as the governor outlined those cuts at a press conference, the Republicans, well, they were rolling out a list of their own. More of a web than a list, really. You can see it there. The GOP highlighted a litany of troubles the Lamont administration and his party have experienced, like the federal charges against his former deputy budget director, the state charges against high-ranking Democrats in Bridgeport, and the revelation that the head of the state college system charged nearly $20,000 worth of meals to his state credit card. And all of this amounted to some of the sharpest exchanges we have ever seen between the Republicans and the governor.
We have existing holes right now in the state of Connecticut, and no one is minding the store. They are all acting with Trump derangement syndrome and attacking the federal government when they need to be focusing on what's going on at home.
I am minding the shop. This is $150 million that's been yanked from public health. You saw what happened to all of our environmental initiatives the other day. Look what's happening in terms of ending of Department of Education. This is minding the shop.
And the governor told me today on the point of that $150 million in lost federal funding, he doesn't see a way that the state will be able to backfill it with its own budget, particularly if there are to be other cuts from Washington. And look, this whole situation is one that the governor and the legislature, including those Republicans, are going to have to navigate as they work to form the next state budget. Live at the state capitol, Mike Cerulli, News 8.